You won't believe how AI almost fooled the world. Recently, a photo of Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and Benjamin Netanyahu standing together went viral. But here's the twist. It's completely AI-generated. This fake image, created during Netanyahu's visit to the U.S., highlights a scary future where AI blurs lines between reality and fiction. Imagine political events altered before your very eyes. But there's a silver lining. Being aware of such tech can protect us from misinformation. Always question what you see. Is this a glimpse into a deceptive future? Make sure you hit follow to stay updated on the world of AI innovations.